Hi semua, welcome back to my YouTube. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Ini aku bikin video sama eyeshadow, which is my favorite kayak eyeshadow palette banget. Teman aku beliin and I love them so much. Thank you friends. Ini the KKW matte eyeshadow. Ini kayak one of my favorites. Emang aku kayak Kim Kardashian fan banget sih. Cuman kayak it's still a really good palette. Dia kayak super creamy, super like pigmented, kayak dapat banyak warna when you use it. And so easy to kayak blend gitu. So if you're starting out, this is a really good palette to try. Yeah, love it. Really recommend it. So I did that look today. I did kayak quite a full coverage sort of look gitu. Sonya, I thought, why not? And I feel like I don't really do this, especially now kayak nggak bisa kemana-mana. Kayak aku udah lama banget nggak pakai makeup sebanyak ini. Not that it's that much, tapi kayak, you know, from like my everyday gitu. So if you like it, please keep watching. Jangan lupa subscribe, comment, like, dislike, delete, block. Yeah, and if you have any feedback, tolong kasih tahu. Yeah, so if you like this look, please keep watching. And terima kasih banyak udah nonton sampai sini. I also hope everyone had a good day, a good morning, a good night, wherever you are while you're watching this. Aku tuh had like a really nice day and I hope everyone had a really nice day. During waktu yang kayak begini, kita harus berdoa dan terima kasih. And yeah, I've just, as you can tell, kayak aku ada banyak energy gitu. I don't know. Thank you so much. Love you all. Okay, so we are going to start with the eyes. We're going to use ini yang aku selalu pakai di my eyeshadow, the MAC primer. Jadi ini kayak ada yellownya, yellow tone-nya dikit gitu, just to add a little bit of coverage. Terus aku suka pakai di bawah eyebrow gitu juga. So this will help to set your eyeshadow. I think I've said this before, tapi kayak set your eyeshadow, stop it from kayak creasing and bring the color out a bit more. Okay? Jadi ini pakai kayak concealer brush gitu ya. Sorry, maaf, I couldn't find my... Oh my god, can I talk today? I couldn't find my brush cleaner. This has a little bit of pink on it from last time, but it's okay. It's not going to do anything. Okay, jadi we're going to use a brush dulu ya. And ini dipakai kayak all over the eye. Ini aku cuman pakai tangan juga supaya dia nggak terlalu tebal ya. Aku layernya, so it's like not too thick. Sekarang aku mau doing the bulu mata aku dulu ya. Aku tuh actually suka pakai my Too Faced. Kayaknya aku udah bilang ini before deh. And I like to just use this color, obviously because my hair is quite dark. But I love this. It's so good. It works. my favorite thing in the whole world. Thank you untuk semua teman aku yang beliin aku ini. Such a good present for me. Know me too well. Okay, jadi kita mau pakai. I'm going to start with warna ini dulu ya. Oh my god. Warna ini dulu ya. And not too much. Just for untuk kayak the base-nya gitu. Someone just tried to call me and then cut, but that's okay. Kita continue. So we're gonna start like that sebelum aku blend ya. That's just how it's gonna start. Soalnya I want it to be quite dark. And as you can see, buat aku kayak I want my crease sebenarnya kayak to be a little bit higher. Jadi instead of doing kayak bener-bener decrease aku, I actually do it a little bit higher supaya kelihatan lebih kayak terbuka gitu ya. Okay, sekarang aku mau pakai the other side, and I'm gonna use warna ini biar dia bisa di blend, biar nggak terlalu kayak ada garisnya gitu, you know. Ini di atasnya ya. Sekarang kita mau pakai the MAC stuff yang kita pakai tadi itu. Aku mau bikin like cut crease tapi matte again. Not again, sorry. Well, like the pink eyeshadow yang aku bikin, tapi ini benar-benar kayak aku gak mau pakai yang shimmer sama sekali ya. So ini untuk bikin kayak ada kontrasnya gitu ya. And I'm actually going to do it. Aku mau bawa dia ke dalam sini. A bit more. Oke, sekarang kita mau pakai warna ini ya, yang agak cream gitu. And I'm gonna go over the MAC stuff here. And I'm going to bring it here. Ini juga supaya kayak matanya agak terbuka gitu. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna record sambil aku pakai my bulu mata, like my mascara sama bulu mata palsu. I'm using the Lily lashes again, but I'm probably not gonna talk, but so you can see, soalnya I feel like aku belum pernah kayak rekam while I'm doing it, so now you can see. Okay, so I think the top udah selesai for now kali ya. We have to do like the base before aku doing di bawah mata. So we'll do the foundation and then nanti kita balik lagi ke eyeshadownya. As you can see, it's already made such a difference. Gitu kayak jauh lebih dark. I'm also going to add dikit lagi yang gelap ini di atas ya. And now for the lips. I'm gonna do something yang same kayak neutral brown, just to match the eye color. Biar dia kayak satu. It's kind of the same shade gitu. Oh my god. Mati. I'm going to use NARS. I think this might be a bit dark, but that's okay. Let's try. I'm going to use this MAC and then I'm going to do a gloss over the top kayaknya today. I never really used to like gloss, but now I love them. I think it's like really popular at the moment too. I'm going to use the Hourglass lip gloss too. I like to overline my lips too. Don't want to get lip fillers, don't want to get surgery, just use lip liner. Such a good trick. So I just put a little bit more mascara di bawah ya, soalnya tadi belum. And we'll do a little bit of highlighter today, because why not? And this highlighter is from Sephora. Okay guys, that is the end of this video. Terima kasih banyak kalau udah nonton sampai sini. I thought there was lipstick on my teeth. I really appreciate it. God bless you. Stay safe. Oh my god, I almost did it again. Stay safe. Jangan lupa like, jangan lupa subscribe, jangan lupa comment. Dimana? Where's the buttons? I'm not sure. Yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I hope kalian suka video ini. If there's anything yang kalian mau lihat, tolong comment, SMS, telepon, message. Just let me know. Thank you so much. God bless.